Hey, welcome back from the weekend. I hope you guys had a good weekend. I know I did. I was coaching in South Dakota. I'd never been to South Dakota before, so that was fun. But here we go. Week 2. As you guys can see, this is my barn, or my parents' barn. I've been in my parents' basement since quarantine started in Iowa. So yeah, there's just a little bit about me. I know you guys didn't ask for the information, but there you go. All right, so today we are talking about stress management. So stress is something that we all have in our lives, all different forms of it, and for all different reasons. So today we're going to talk about that different kinds of stress and how you can help manage that stress. All right. So this is like me sometimes when I wake up in the morning. I don't know about you guys, but my hair definitely looks like that. Here we go. So my video's right here. Today, here's the lecture video. It's the same as it was last week, so hopefully you guys got the hang of it. The slides are there if you guys want those to help you complete the homework. And then for your daily points, you're going to complete the assignment by downloading this PDF and turning it in by midnight in the space provided below. So if we go through this PDF quickly, you're going to write the definition of eustress and distress. You're going to list 2 things that you have control over during a stressful situation. And then you're going to circle which one of these responses is your go-to in response to stress. So there's no wrong answers here. I just want to know your honest opinion. Do you freak out? Do you chill out? Do you stay positive? Do you lose sleep? Or do you worry? And then for your last question, you're going to pick one of the 6 stress management techniques and explain how you will start to implement that into your life. So whether you pick deep breathing, guided imagery, muscle relaxation, physical activity, time management, or talking about it, you're going to type your answer here below in like 3 to 4 sentences of how you're going to use one of these in your life to help with stress. Good luck.